Make your profile strong and must add a portfolio. Apply only for those jobs on which you have 101% trust that you can do it. In proposals, how can you introduce yourself to your clients to solve the problems and don't write too much lengthy proposal? As there is only one line important to impress anyone. Like professionals, write a proposal in a paragraph, or you may add some bullet points. Use Grammarly application extension to avoid errors in English. Always check hiring rate, total spent, payment verification of the client to have more chances for a job. And if the hiring rate is high, then there will be more chances to get that job. Always apply on new jobs, and if there is a job of 2 or 3 days earlier, and if it is written 1 or 2 hours ago but a client on the place of proposal or qualifications or client is taking anyone's interview, then must apply there because there will be more chances of getting the job. If you haven't purchased the membership of Upwork, then there is an average hourly rate mentioned on hourly rate jobs, then put accordingly. And if there are new clients, and their spend is around or less than $1,000, then apply on that because they are more interested in hiring fresher to give them a low rate. Always attach your previous work with the proposal. There are also fake jobs on Upwork. Never apply on unverified payment jobs, and if client spend is less, i.e. $200, $300. If that person has posted a job of 2 lines, don't apply on that because either their reviews exchanging seller or fake. Once you have completed the proposal writing, then must go and check the post of job to see either client has given the job to someone else or not. There are more chances of getting a job in the recommended section. And if there are questions on any job, then give proper answer, don't say yes or no, as these answers are shown to the client earlier than your proposal, so provide the answer accordingly. So, always use your connects wisely.